my friends. In this video tutorial we will dive deeper into backgrounds resolutions, merges, and we will making this. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, take the media out, take the merge, take the background, connect these three nodes, change the resolution for the background 1920 times 1080, and now we have a set resolution for our media out. We will take another background here, and this background will be only 2 pixels and width will be 1920. We will take the fast noise, connect to the background connect to the mirror merge here. Fast noise will change the resolution 1920 and only 2 pixels. In this background, use the white color, press number 2 on the keyboard for media out, and this background change the alpha all the way to 0, and as you can see we have our line for our background. Now take another merge here, connect it, take the background, change the opacity all the way to 0, the alpha, change the resolution 1920, 1080, connect the background to the merge, swap them, and click on this merge here, take another glow size 0 and glow 0.98. Now let me explain few things. As you can see here, this background go inside this merge and go inside the media out, and is affecting resolution for this media out. If I change the height here, you can see it's changing the resolution for media out. This means everything after this node here, after this merge or this background, it will be in this resolution. If I change the resolution for only this background for only 50 pixels by 50 pixels, this media out will be 50 pixels, but everything before, it doesn't matter. If I change this resolution for this background, my media out is again full HD. It doesn't change it. Now I have this background here. This one is only height 2 pixels. Now what this mean? This means that everything after this background, if I use the glow now, it will be only 2 pixels. I can use the glow size, but it will not go more than 2 pixels because this background is 2 pixels. Now if I change the height for the 20 pixels and disconnect this fast noise, then this background will be 20 pixels tall. So what I want to do is here is remove this glow and put it after this merge. View the media out, you can see the glow because this background is taller than this background. So if I make another one here, like this, but change this resolution, this background resolution for example 25 pixels for the height, and the width 1920, doesn't affect it, because everything that is made from this node here to this node here with this background will be in this resolution, as we said, 1920 1080. And you can use the glow size, it doesn't matter. Now if I view it here, you can see it's tall only 25 pixels. Let's go back to 1080, and you can see the resolution of Full HD, and we can see everything what we made here. Now that you know how to change the resolution for each part of the segment, let me show you one more important thing. Disconnect this glow, take this fast noise out of the way, take the rectangle, connect to the background, and click here and use the duplicate. As you can see here, we have our line, and this rectangle will be changed width to all the way to 1 and height all the way to 1. Now this rectangle will be a resolution of 1920 times 20 pixels. This duplicate will change the resolution, will change the angle to 90, and as you can see here, we have our line vertical and horizontal. When you see the inside this media out, it will be Full HD resolution. When you see it here, in this background here, we'll change this resolution 1920 times 1920. And when you see in this merge, you see the clipping. Our line is not going all the way. And here when you rotate, you see clipping. It doesn't show whole line. To do this, go inside this background and change this resolution to 1920. 1920 times 1920, and our line will be full size. When you rotate here, it doesn't affect it, and when you click on media out, you can see here in this rotation it will be full size. It doesn't cut. This is one of the things that you have to think about. This background will affect this resolution and size for everything after this to here. When I click in this merge, I can rotate. It doesn't affect it. If I change it back, 1080, and see it here again, as you can see, line is cut. Alright, now let's go back to 1080 because we don't need it. Remove the duplicate, turn on the glow, remove the rectangle, and remove the fast noise here, connect to the background. And now you can change in this fast noise, click on this background here to see the background, and change this scale and do something like a 200. Change the contrast, reduce the brightness and the detail. Maybe reduce the detail 0.5. Seeing the glow, as you can see, our glow is working. Uncheck this lock XY and reduce the X glow size like this. Delete this background with this merge, we don't need it. And use another fast noise. Make the glow to fast noise. See it in the media out. Change the detail 0.25. Contrast all the way to 5. Brightness all the way to scale 150. or 200, depends how many you want, and change the color. We will use the blue and the red, but I will not use the red. I will use 002. Change the resolution for the fast noise, 1920, 1080, and now we can start adding glows. Copy this glow like this, add another glow, but this time we will take this one, change the shine threshold to 0, spread 0.1, vertical ratio, and brightness. This one copy, paste again, and use this glow to spread 0.2, and use the another copy and spread another 0.5. If you want to spread a little more, you can, something like this. This look nice. Brightness and contrast here, and change the gain like that. You can change this black in this background to see it a little easier. Go in this fast noise, adjust the colors, use the red 001, and then adjust the blues, something like this. Now go in the first fast noise, change the seed rate, and we will write 005. And now when you move it, it will animate. If it's too fast, then you can make it slower, 002. And this is basically it. If you want to add some more effects, you can, of course. And we are finished. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.